Warning, this is going to be an emotionally triggering post. Moms, stop buying your way out of mom guilt because you have nothing to be guilty about. What I see is moms who work all day and they feel guilty they don't get to spend as much time with their children as they want to. So they overcompensate with giving them stuff like toys or trinkets or whatever. And then there's the mom who's on a lower income and she feels guilty that she can't provide all the same level clothing and gadgets as their peers are. Or a mom that's going through divorce and they feel guilty that their child is dealing with some really big emotional feelings and they try to buy their happiness to compensate. Money is not going to fix any emotional problem. So please stop trying to buy your way out of feeling guilty. You are doing the best you can with the knowledge and the resources that you have. You do not have to make up for anything in your child's life with buying something. When you try to buy your child's happiness, you are teaching them the same lesson, that one day when they feel bad, they can buy their way out of the feelings they're feeling and into happiness. And that is not true. That's a consumer trap and it's a non-solution. The only thing your child needs is your emotional support and unconditional love. The money you spend on things to buy happiness for your child, the less money you have to save and ultimately buy your freedom of time. Because if you save up enough money to cover your expenses for the rest of your life, you don't have to work anymore. And at that point, you will feel less stressed and have all the free time in the world to be physically and emotionally present for your child.